So in this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to SendMails as subscriber. Let's say you're running some Facebook ads to generate some new leads, and from those Facebook ads, the leads which you are getting, you want to add those leads as subscriber in SendMail. So let me tell you, you can actually automate this process in such a way that whenever a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically with the same details, you can add that lead as a subscriber and SendMails. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. And on this particular Facebook page, I'm running some lead ads. Now I want that using this Facebook ads, whenever I get a new lead is generated, I want to add that same lead as a subscriber in my SendMails account as well. And to do this, we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with SendMails. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow between Facebook lead ads and SendMails inside Pabbly Connect. So to do so, click on this Create Workflow button, give this workflow a name. I'll name it as Facebook lead ads to SendMails. And then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on Create. And here you can see the automation workflow is created. Now in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new lead is generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that newly generated lead will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that new lead to SendMails, and we are going to add that lead as a subscriber in our SendMails account. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose App, search for Facebook lead ads and just select it. After selecting Facebook lead ads in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Lead Instant. After selecting a trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Facebook lead ads button. Now because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection over here. And after making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. And here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which I have in my Facebook account. Now out of all of these, we have to select the Facebook page that on which particular Facebook page we are running our Facebook lead ads and generating the leads. So the name of my Facebook page is Green Pro Landscaping. On this particular page, I'm running some Facebook ads to generate some leads. So from this drop down, we are going to select the same Facebook page over here, Green Pro Landscaping. After selecting the Facebook page on which you are running the ad, the next thing it asks us is the lead gen form. Now here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the lead generation form which I have created for this particular Facebook page. Basically, I have two right now, green landscape and lawn care and landscaping. So the new leads from which particular form you want to capture inside Pabbly Connect, you have to select that. If you want to capture the leads from all the lead generation form which you have in this Facebook page, select this option of all lead gen forms over here. After selecting this, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, we will see it has now changed to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response or some details of a new lead from Facebook lead ads. So what we have to do, we have to capture a response of a new lead. And we are going to generate a test lead over here. And we will be using the Facebook lead ad testing tool. So under Facebook developer platform, we have this lead ad testing tool using which we can generate some test lead. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this lead ad testing tool account or you can access it, the full video is already live on the channel. You can refer to that video and get a step-by-step guide to reach this lead ad testing tool. The process is very simple. After opening this lead ad testing tool, what we have to do, it is asking us for the page and the form. So here in the drop down in front of page, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which we have. So for which particular Facebook page we want to generate the leads, we have to select that. So select the same page which we have selected in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And after that, it is asking us for the form. So in the drop down, you will see a list of all the forms which you have created, all the lead ad form for this particular page. So using which form you want to generate the lead, you have to select that. So I want to generate the lead using this form named as green landscape. Just select it. And after that, just click on this preview form button. And here you can see the lead generation form which we have created. This particular form is open in front of us in the preview mode. Now here what we have to do in this lead gen form, we just have to enter the test details, the details of a test lead, a dummy lead over here. So I have entered that. The name of the person is demo user. This is the email and this is a test mobile number. After entering the details of a test lead, click on next and click on submit. And as we click on submit, we will see just now using this lead ad testing tool, we have generated a test lead for this Facebook page, for this lead gen form. And because we have connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this triggers tab, we have received the response. And in this response, you will see all the details of the test lead which we have generated just now. So here you can see we have the response of the first name, last name, email and mobile number. The same details which we have just now entered in this lead ad testing tool, in this lead ad form in preview mode, the same lead details are received. Demo user, this is the email and the mobile number. After that, we have this created time, that at what date and time this new lead was generated, and we'll scroll down and you can see some other details related to this new lead as well. So in this way, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully received a new lead from Facebook lead ads in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to add this same lead as a subscriber in SendMails. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose App, search for SendMails. Just select it. After selecting SendMails in Action Event from this drop-down, select the action event as Add New Subscriber. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our SendMails account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the username of our SendMails account and the API token. So I guess you must be having the username or the email address of your SendMails account. Just enter it over here. But you must be thinking how you can get this API token. So to get the API token of your SendMails account, just go to SendMails and from the left sidebar, go to Campaign API. Under Campaign API, here you can see the API token. Just copy the API token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And then just enter the username of your SendMails account. And after entering the username and API token, just click on Save. And when we click on Save, we will see our SendMails account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the list UID. That in our SendMails account, in which particular subscriber list we want to add this subscriber. We have to enter the ID, the UID of that list. Now here how you are going to get the UID, the ID of the list. So to get the list ID, just go to your SendMails account and from the left sidebar, go to this list section. After coming to the list section, here you will get a list of all the subscriber list which you have in SendMails. Out of all of this, just open the list in which you want to add the subscriber. Like I have this list named as Papcon in which I want to add the subscriber. I want to add the Facebook leads as subscriber. And after opening this list, here in the URL section, you will see the list ID. So here in URL, after list slash and before slash overview, you can see this ID. This is your list UID. Just copy this list ID from here from the URL section, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the list UID, it is asking us the first name, last name and email address of the new subscriber which we want to add. So we have received these details from Facebook lead ads. So from Facebook lead ads, when a new lead is generated, we have received the response And the lead generation form, we have asked the user their first name, last name, and email address. Now what we have to do? We have to one by one map all of these details. We have to map the first name, last name, and email from this trigger step responses, from this Facebook lead at responses to this send mails action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. We will just click on this field of first name, and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook lead ads of a new lead. Out of all of these responses, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever first name the new lead is going to enter in our lead gen form, automatically with the same first name we are going to add that person, with the same detail we are going to add that person as a subscriber in SendMails. After mapping this first name, use the same process for last name and email. Just click here and from the drop down, select the response of last name and map it, and map the email address as well. And after mapping all the details from trigger responses, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the subscriber was successfully created. So let's check it. We will go to our SendMails account and we'll go to the subscriber section over here. And yes, here you can see demo user, the same person whose details we have added in our Facebook lead gen form. The same user is now added as a subscriber in our SendMails account. So here you can see the same first name, same last name, and the same email address. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation in real time once. We'll go back to this lead ad testing tool, and just now we have generated a test lead. So we are going to generate another one. But before generating another test lead, we have to generate the previous lead. Because using this lead ad testing tool, you can only create one lead per form at a time. So first click on this delete lead button. As we click on delete lead, the previous lead which we have created is deleted. Now we will just refresh this lead ad testing tool once. Once again from this drop down of page, we are going to select our Facebook page that was named as Green Pro Landscaping, for which we have created this automation workflow. So let's search for it. Green Pro Landscaping. And here it is. After selecting this Facebook page, from this drop down, select your lead gen form and click on Preview Form. And after clicking on Preview Form, in this lead gen form, we are going to enter the details of another test lead. This time the name of the person is test user. This is the email address. And then this is the dummy mobile number of this test lead. And then just click on next and click on submit. As we click on submit, here you can see just now using this lead ad testing tool, we have generated another test lead. And as the new lead is generated, within few seconds we will see automatically the new lead will be added as subscriber in SendMails. So we'll go to SendMails and we will just refresh this page once. And yes, here you can see the same lead test user is now added with the same name and same email address as subscriber in our SendMails account. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same automation workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.